Hello there. Welcome to Nana's Classic Stitches channel. If you are new, welcome and thank you for clicking. I thank all my subscribers and returnees. Thank you so much. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this in the globe. Welcome to Nana's channel again. Now, we started off, I think 2 weeks ago with this. Now it's done and it's hanging up there. But before I show it to you, I'm going to talk to you about different ways of finishing a trim on a garment. Okay, there's so, like, I can't tell you everything, but I'll excuse me, I'll do my best and give you a couple of them. Excuse me, I'll show you a couple of them. Okay, and now to use piping, this is not the only way you can use it. You can put a facing to it, you can bring it up, you can put it at the edge of the collar, and so on and so forth. But if and when you do it this way, try to put lace bias, or there's a solid one too. And as always, I say I use contrast so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, now you have to face this and then hem it up, just in case you are what was the word, rotated to the band. Okay, because it's a little bit rough, just a tiny. So in order to not to scratch your skin or irritate you, put a band. Okay, this type of band. And as I said, I'm just showing you in contrast color so you can see it. Okay, now this is another way of doing it. This is what I did with my dress. You see, with the white and white is hard. Okay, now he's getting it. Okay, you put the right side of the facing to the wrong side of your sleeve and bring it up, but don't forget to understitch so it will lie smoother for you. Okay, and then bring it up, put the edge of your lace under the folded edge and then stitch. Okay, now you can see it. Good. This is another way too, but this one is just a plain lace, it's not guarded. And this is how I finish the inside. Okay, and this one, another type, lace at the edge hanging. Okay, and this is how I finish the wrong side. Now this is another way of finishing it. And this, for example, if you use you're sewing bridal, you do tiny zigzag at the scalp of the lace. You don't just stitch it straight with a straight stitch, a tiny zigzag. Okay, and then you follow the scalp edge. So this is another way too. Now I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've showed you 5 different ways. Okay, so there, 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 and then the inside, how I finished it. It's a plain lace, not guarded. Okay, now I'm going to bring this down and then I'll walk you through. But the method that I use on this one, I've walked you through it. The only difference is that now I'm using a trim. Okay, so I'll be right back. Hello there, I'm back. Okay, this is the front of my see the back of it too. This is the front. This is the short sleeve. And you can tell I changed my buttons again. And the zipper. Okay, there. And then it has belt loops. So 2 in the front and 2 at the back. Okay, so this is nothing new to this. It's just a pant with bodice joined together. Okay, so it's all something that I've walked you through step by step, step by step. As I keep saying, the only difference is that this one has a belt loops, and then I added trims to it. Okay, I changed the yeah, I just changed this a bit. Oh, and I forgot to let you guys know, because this one has no sleeves and I joined the sleeves, I brought the underarm 1/2 inch up, and then the sleeve itself also 1/2 inch up, so that when I wear it I can lift my arms up. Okay, because sleeveless is always reduced down a bit. So we finished this. Now next week, God willing, I'm thinking of us tackling this Butterwick 6018. Butterwick 6018. Okay, this is our intermediate to advanced. As I always say, beginners can do it. It will take you a little bit longer, and just always follow the instruction sheet. Gradual. Okay, if you getting frustrated, or you get you're getting frustrated, just leave it a day or two and then come back to it. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Happy sewing, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye for now. Thank you.